Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock a rear wheel before raising the front with a jack. Use jack stands under the frame points, not the plastic splash shield. Gather tools: 15 mm socket, 14 mm drain socket, oil filter wrench, funnel, drain pan, shop rags, and 5 quarts of 5W30 synthetic oil. Let the engine cool for at least 10 minutes to avoid hot oil burns, and wear gloves and safety glasses. Lay paper or cardboard under the drain area to catch spills. Remove the oil fill cap to vent and speed drainage, then position the drain pan under the 14 mm drain plug and loosen it slowly so hot oil doesn't splash. While the oil drains, use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. If it's a spin-on filter, wipe the mounting surface, apply a thin coat of new oil to the gasket, and hand tighten the new filter per torque or 3/4 turn by hand. Tighten the drain plug snugly, check the magnet for debris, and allow the flow to slow before lowering the vehicle carefully. Add 5 quarts of 5W30 synthetic oil through the fill neck using a funnel, then reinstall the cap and wait 3 minutes for oil to settle before checking the dipstick to confirm the level. Start the engine and run at idle for 60 seconds while watching under the vehicle for leaks. Shut off the engine, wait 3 minutes, and recheck the dipstick, adding oil in small increments if the level is below the full mark. Recycle used oil and the old filter at a municipal center or auto parts store. Record the date and mileage, and use the vehicle menu to reset oil life according to the owner's instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.